In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics to measure your campaign performance. This is an essential skill if you want to gain deeper insights into your marketing efforts and understand how your campaigns are resonating with your audience. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the campaigns section. Here you'll see a list of all your active and past campaigns. Choose the campaign you'd like to track with Google Analytics and click on it to start the editing process. Now, in the campaign editor, you want to focus on the settings and tracking section. Scroll down until you find the Google Analytics option. It's crucial that you enable Google Analytics by checking the box beside it. This step ensures that your campaign data is properly tracked and synced with Google Analytics. After enabling Google Analytics, it's time to give your campaign a unique name that will make it easy for you to identify later. For instance, you might name it something like March Newsletter Campaign, or any wording that clearly outlines the campaign's purpose or timing. Once you've set a campaign name, remember to save your changes. This step finalizes your Mailchimp side of the integration. Next, to make sure everything is set up correctly, go to your Google Analytics account. It's important that your website already has the Google Analytics tracking code installed. If you're unsure whether it's installed, a quick way to check is by going to the admin section, then navigating to data streams, selecting web, and finally looking at the tracking code. If all is set, your website should appear listed with the associated tracking ID. Once your Mailchimp campaign is sent, you'll need to allow some time for data to accumulate. It doesn't happen instantly, so be patient. After waiting a bit, head back to Google Analytics. Here, navigate to the Reports section, then to Acquisition, followed by Campaigns, and finally to All Campaigns. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to see detailed metrics and gain a wealth of information on how your campaign is performing. Analyzing these metrics is key. Look into various data points such as user engagement, click-through rates, and conversion rates to refine your marketing strategies. These insights can guide your marketing decisions and optimize future campaigns for better performance. And there you have it, everything you need to know about connecting Mailchimp with Google Analytics to track your campaigns effectively. By integrating these two powerful tools, you set yourself up for a more informed and data-driven marketing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.